Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I just wanted to share something simple, but so beautiful with you all. Look at these. My hen just laid some fresh eggs late this morning. They're still warm and clean, straight from the coop. Honestly, moments like this remind me how special it is to grow and care for what we eat. Every egg feels like a little blessing, fresh, natural, and full of goodness. And right over here, take a look at my pepper plants. They're doing so well. The leaves are so green, and I can already see new peppers coming out. I'm so proud of how healthy they look. Gardening really teaches patience and joy. When you plant something with love, water it, and watch it grow, it gives you this quiet sense of satisfaction, like you're part of nature's little miracle. Even if you don't have a big space, you can start small. A few pots, a little soil, some sunlight, and before you know it, you'll be growing your own food too. Whether it's eggs from your hen or peppers from your garden, there's something so peaceful and rewarding about seeing your hard work come to life. So if this inspires you, try planting something today. Even one seed. You'll be surprised how it grows and how it makes you feel inside. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more little moments like this, fresh from my garden and home. See you in the next video.